Hey everybody, Katie Jackson here, coming at you from Mi Casa today. Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel, Fishing Vixen. Excited to have you. Today I'm actually taking you on a tour of my fishing room, which I'm very excited about because it's finally done. We have been putting in so many hours organizing and getting everything ready for this fishing season. So I'm going to be showing you everything that I have in this room and a couple of baits that I really love. So welcome. Over here we have Dean's Biggest Fish, 15-pounder of Orange Lake, and some of our trophies. This is where I have my Tightline UV stash. I'm able to easily pick and choose from here the baits I want to take for that particular tournament, so very accessible. A lot of people ask me why I love Tightline UV so much. Quick and easy answer is that it is the only bait that is patented UV technology, where this is what fish see and this is what it looks like to fish when it's not UV. This is what we see, so we can't tell the difference. We don't see in UV, but fish see in UV. So you can clearly see it makes the bait look more natural in darker water or deeper water. It makes that more visible, and if they see it, they'll eat it. They have rattles in the baits, they have whiskers in the baits. So a lot of action, a lot of sound. They match the scent to that particular bait already in the bag. So really, you get this bait, you put it on a hook, you throw it, you catch fish. It's just like that. So I love Tightline UV. Over here I have all of my hard baits. No, you can't go shopping. I have my fish balm up here. This is the scent that I spray in bags of baits when they're not Tightline UV, because it does have UV enhancer and smell. So that's awesome. Check them out, Fish Balm. My weight box, labeled everything so that when I'm on the boat, I can easily grab what I need. There's no guessing. If I've used it before, I actually put it on the scale, reweighed it so that it was correct. Have all of the hard baits here labeled so that when I'm packing for a tournament, I can grab what I need for that tournament. I don't keep everything in the boat. I know a lot of us do, and I know that it's hard to have other space to be able to dedicate to your fishing stuff. And if you love fishing as much as I do, we have a lot of it. But another really good reason to not keep all your tackle in your boat is the weight of your boat. If you're trying to get a little bit more miles per hour, you're trying to get a little bit better gas mileage, you have all of this in your boat, it's really, really heavy. So what I like to do is I like to pack specifically for the body of water that I'm fishing. I will watch YouTube videos, I'll do research, and I'll try to figure out what is the baits for that body of water, and that's what I pack. So this is my fishing box. And especially as a co-angler, I don't want to pack a bunch of boxes and stuff to have in my boater's boat. So I pack one universal box that has my hard baits, crankbaits, rattle traps on top. Then the bottom, I got my top water baits, I got my chatter baits, my jigs, my dart spins, my spinner baits. So it's really easy to be able to have this on hand and really convenient to be able to get into it. Put that there. I have my dart spin box right here. Dart spin pros. Basically, the dart spins come like this. They have the hyperplastic technology, so it's very, very durable. They've got some really awesome colors. Comes with the blade already screwed into the tail, very flashy. Like this one, you can see I've rigged up on this chatterhead so that it gives it even more action when it swims. And this is the gold flake one that's great for Lake Toho if you're down in Florida. Hint, hint. White shad with a chartreuse tail. Really good color combos. But the Dart Spin Pros come rigged up with a belly weighted hook already, just like this in the package. So all you have to do is just tie it on, throw it, swim it all kinds of different ways. I'm really excited to actually see how it works on beds this season, because I feel like it's just going to be way too enticing. Swim baits, you know, work during the spawn a lot anyway, but this one, being able to put it on a weighted head and just hop it around on the beds, I think that it's going to be fantastic. So I'll be able to get you some more footage on that. Here's the dart spin. Right over here I have all my rods. These are my rods. Those are Dean's rods. And I got my real grips on my rods. I got my extra real grips right here to go on. I love these things. I've been using them for about a year now, and they are awesome. Like, it keeps your fingers stuck to those real handles so that you do not slip when you're reeling in a big fish. So I'm excited to have my fishing room done. I'm really excited about the new season. Going to be doing BFL Gator Division. Dean and I have a Fishers of Men National Championship in March on the Harris chain. So really excited about that. And I know some of you guys probably are doing things even better than me. So if you have some ideas that'll help me be a better fisherman, please drop a comment below, like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Fishing Vixen. Watch the videos I've posted already. I have some guide trips that I've done with guests up there. I have some quick catches. Why are you dancing?
I'm thinking of your video.
Oh. Yeah, I'm doing a couple parodies of songs. Mainly one right now because I just could not get it out of my head. But definitely watch my bass guide. It's a parody of Billie Eilish's Bad Guy, and it's just a lot of fun. I had so much fun making that video. If you have an idea of a song that you want to see a fishing parody of, please comment below that too. I would love to see what you want to hear, and maybe I can figure it out. So I do have one idea, two ideas in mind that I want to do, but I'm not going to tell you yet. You'll have to wait. But in the meantime, please watch some of my other videos and comment below of things that'll make me better. And I hope this might help make you better. And I guess I'll see you on the water, so tight lines. Or rods, if I don't break them. I pack in my beans box. Where'd my box go? Yeah, you see it? Oh! It was facing the wrong way. So maybe I need to put a label on the other side just in case. A few months ago, and that's not it. This isn't working out very well. Oh. We might have to edit a little bit of this.